In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the file size in Google Drive the quick way. Whether you're managing your storage or simply curious, knowing how much space a file occupies in Google Drive is quite useful. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If not, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password to access your drive. Now that you're in your Google Drive, you'll see a list of files and folders. To find out the size of a specific file, simply locate that file in your drive. You can do this by scrolling through your list or using the search bar at the top to type in the name of the file you are searching for. Once you've found the file you're interested in, right-click on it. For those using a Mac with a trackpad, you might need to use a two-finger click instead. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on the option labeled View Details. This is where the magic happens. After selecting View Details, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel will provide various bits of information about your file, and among these details, you will see the file size. The size will be displayed in either kilobytes, KB, megabytes, MB, or gigabytes, GB, depending on the file's size. If you're dealing with folders and wish to know the overall size, unfortunately, Google Drive doesn't provide a direct way to see the size of a folder. As a workaround, you can download the folder to your computer. Once the download is complete, you can check the folder size directly on your device by right-clicking the folder and selecting Properties on a PC or Get Info on a Mac. It's also important to periodically check your storage usage, especially if you're on a free Google account with a 15 GB storage limit. You can view a summary of your storage use in the lower left-hand corner of your Google Drive layout, which will help you keep track of how much space you have left. These simple steps will help you efficiently manage your files and storage in Google Drive. If you want to ensure you're not close to hitting your storage limit, take some time to clean out files you no longer need. Now you know how to check the file size in Google Drive quickly and easily. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Feel free to like and subscribe for other handy tips and tricks. See you next time.